blingin', carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blingin', carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got.
So we've got home and takeaway of Asia's favourite Jollibee fried chicken, and the pieces are a decent size. They were all freshly cooked. Service wasn't particularly quick, but it was very hygienic, and to be honest, the Philippines isn't known for very fast service, so you know, no complaints. It wasn't outrageously long either, and if you're having your food cooked especially fresh, no complaints at all, and let's go. Chips, not the biggest portion in the world. Again, chicken burger, not the most appetizing, bun very soft. We'll try it in a few minutes now, and a choice of sauces that come. So, on friendliness, the people very friendly in the restaurant, and they were very hygienic. Everything was done very hygienic. It was kept very clean, so no problems so far. So we'll try the food, and I'll get back to you and tell you what I think of it.
Racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick.
Now, so we've had a Jollibee, and this is my view on it. Now, we'll start off with the chicken burger. Chicken burger, while I initially said it didn't look very nice, on later reflection, I suppose you had to give it the benefit that it was a carry out. I took it home, so it's a soft brioche bun, which meant that it probably got a bit squashed. So, you know, definitely go back on any condemnation of the look of it. Now, on the taste of it, I was really impressed. Very simple. It's brioche bun. You have mayonnaise, a bit of lettuce, and a lovely fried burger. Nice and crispy, the outside, very tender on the inside, and very impressed with it. You know, there's nothing I could really say I wasn't happy about. I think it's a very, very good burger, and I was very pleased with it. So, yeah, definitely, my world of food definitely approves. Now, the chicken, we bought a bucket of chicken, bought 6 pieces of chicken, of which you get 3 sauces with it. Now, I think there was some mixed reviews on Jollibee, because people were saying they weren't happy, some people were saying they liked it. And my personal opinion is that most people were comparing it to Kentucky Fried Chicken, and I think that's a wrong comparison. You know, while most of the chicken shops in London are doing, you know, they have their own version of Kentucky Fried Chicken, and you can compare it to Kentucky Fried Chicken and say, oh, it didn't have quite the flavour. I think you've got to be realistic and say this is not even attempting to be a Kentucky Fried Chicken. What it's trying to do is it's fried chicken in a batter. And again, my opinion is it's done very, very well. You know, the chicken, there was good sized pieces of chicken. Batter was very nice and crispy. It was all cooked lovely and fresh, and definitely can't say anything wrong about it at all. It was really impressed. A little bit pricey because a bucket would probably be what you'd pay in Kentucky, and you'd get chips with it, where there was no chips with JOLLIBEE. But very impressed. Hygiene standards good. Yes, it wasn't the fastest in the world, but it was cooked nice and fresh. So no complaints at all about the weight. It wasn't an excessive weight. It was a fair weight for a freshly cooked product. And so overall, very impressed with JOLLIBEE. Yeah, it's not Kentucky Fried Chicken. If you go in thinking it's Kentucky Fried Chicken, you may be disappointed. If you go in thinking that it's a fried chicken done in a very nice batter, I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. And so overall, very impressed, and that's why JOLLIBEE seem to be opening up in quite a few places in London. They're getting the people, they're bringing a South Asian flavour, and my world of food definitely approves. Hope you do too. And I'll just say a little hello from my helpers. That's why the camera's going a bit crooked. This is my two helpers. Now, don't be confused with the jackets. Actually, JT is the dog on the left. Say hello, JT. Hello, JT. And this is Jet. Yeah, Jet's my daddy's boy. And these also give it the seal of approval.
What you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer.